Hey, this is Ace Antonio Hall, author of The Confessions of Silver Slap. Back there, my man, I'm just gonna call him Cowboy. My man here got the illest vehicle in the lot. Check it out. Yo, my man got all the trophies, the Super Bowl trophies. You know we got many trophies, one for each finger. My man got the Cowboys on the side of the truck. I mean, this is oh, come here, look at
What,
this.
son?
My man got, yo, look at this right here.
Is that your boy? That's Aikman?
That's Aikman. Yo, this is
nice.
a beautiful representation. This is what you call true blue. This is true blue, fam.